Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming prerequisites. Chrome updated, you signed into your Google account, and extension support is enabled. Open Chrome, click the three-dot menu, then More Tools Extensions to view the manager. Once done, open the Chrome Web Store in a new tab. This is where you'll pick extensions. Make sure to check extension permissions early so you understand data access before installing. That prevents surprises later and saves time when you install multiple tools. You'll now find and install the extension. In the web store, type a relevant keyword or the extension name and scan the results. Once you spot a candidate, inspect reviews, user count, and the permissions panel to understand why it asks for access. Click Add to Chrome and accept the permission dialog. Chrome downloads and enables the extension automatically. After installation, pin it to the toolbar via the puzzle icon so you can open and configure options quickly without hunting through menus. Finish by configuring and validating the extension. Open extensions details to set site access, enable background behavior, and visit the extensions options page for preferences. Once done, test functionality on a target site to confirm it behaves as expected. If problems occur, disable other extensions to check for conflicts, then remove the problematic one if needed. As a key tip, restart Chrome or use incognito with the extension enabled to isolate issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.